Good posture. Achha, while walking, no, some people walk like this. No. Walking should be, your heel should come like this. Like this. This is very important. जब कोई ठप ठप करके चलते हैं ना, लाइक कैसे चलता है यार तुम? तो the best way is first your heel should come like this and keep your back straight. Learn. That's what military people walk like this. So try to follow. If you start following today onwards some 10%, 20% of what I am telling, you are going to see a change in your health in a small time, maybe month's time. More you practice, better it is. See, I am seeing some very young people, young older people, they are practicing yoga more than me. Okay. So now we'll learn. Shall we all do? Please sit on the chair. Please sit. जो नीचे जमीन पर बैठ सकते हैं वो नीचे बैठेंगे. जो जमीन पर बैठ ही नहीं सकते हैं, they'll remain sitting on the chair. बाकी सब लोग नीचे बैठेंगे. हाँ, sure.
You said about negative thinking.
Yeah.
Normally, I was thinking positive earlier, as you said.
Yes.
And then was missing. He started from the other.
Huh.
He was not in Jaipur, he was not in the other. He was somewhere on me.
Okay.
10, 50 runs, 20 runs. Then what happened? My wife and others, they had a funny.
Yeah.
And they started getting worried. And I said, no, we will come. And she said,
Yeah, that's
that means you are casual, you are not serious. You are casual. You are not serious.
Yes.
One point.
See.
Then we are also actually.
We are a bold way.
Second point is doctors especially, they always create a fear in your mind by negative thinking.
Yes.
They don't say you are nice. They say, oh, you have come today.
It is a business.
You have come now.
It is marketing. It is marketing.
Tomorrow you will die by the
Yes. वो अच्छा भला आदमी को बीमार कर देंगे वो लोग. बिल्कुल.
negative thinking quite often and they are experts so far.
I'll tell you, the negative thinking or negative is very strong. If your two friends are there, they are very good with each other, they do a lot of things for each other. One instance of doing not a good thing will spoil your whole friendship or the whole life. Because one negative instance is remembered like anything, all positive instances are gone. This is the way of life. So learn, छोड़ देने का, this is known as let go attitude. जो गलती हो गई यार छोड़ो यार, उससे कोई मजबूरी होगी उसकी, जिसने ऐसा किया उसको ऐसा करके छोड़ देंगे तो लाइफ विल बी सिंपल. आई नो मेनी पीपल, इतने थिक फ्रेंड्स हैं और एक छोटी सी किसी से एक गलती हुई एंड दे आर एनिमीज, दे डोंट वांट टू सी आई टू आई. क्यों? उस दिन उसने मेरी हेल्प नहीं की, साला अपने को समझता क्या. सो लाइफ फ्रेंडशिप गॉन. 5 years 20 years की फ्रेंडशिप एक सेकंड में गई बिकॉज नेगेटिव थिंग. आई एम टेलिंग यू नेगेटिव, दैट नेगेटिव रिएक्शंस आर वेरी स्ट्रांग. हाउ टू अवॉइड दिस? लेट गो एटीट्यूड. छोड़ो यार, इसकी गलती हो गई, हमसे गलती होती है, हम तो परफेक्ट नहीं है, तो हाउ वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट ही इज परफेक्ट. ही कैन आल्सो डू ए मिस्टेक. और उसको माफ कर दो. हमको दूसरों को सजा देने का हमको हक नहीं है. वी आर नॉट जजेस. सो लेट गो एटीट्यूड इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट विल डू? राइट, we'll do movements of all the possible joints of our body. I told you, this arthritis problem comes to your ankles, your toes, your knees, hip joint, shoulders, wrist. It is there, no? Yeah. Right? So we'll try to give movements to joints which you have never given earlier. First we'll go only for the toes. Just take the toes up and down. आगे हो जाइए, आगे. अभी आ सकते नहीं चाहिए घुटने में. आप यहीं बैठ के कीजिए. डोंट क्रॉस योर लेग, लेग स्ट्रेट. आप यहां बैठ के कीजिए. नो नो नो, जस्ट ओनली टोज. ठीक है? Okay. Now we'll go for the ankle joints. Just move whole ankle. Yes. Once you give movement, the stiffness of the joint hatana, that goes and flexibility comes. When flexibility comes, the arthritis problem is reduced and solved after long practice, not in 1 day, 1 month, 15 days, nothing. I cannot say, बिल्कुल ठीक हुआ, बिल्कुल ठीक है, then will you rotate? या वो भी आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो जाएगा. Now we'll give rotation to the ankles. Rotation. And anti-clockwise. ठीक है, दिस इज मूवमेंट. आप बोलेंगे ये तो आप फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाओ तो वो भी कराता है, आप क्या, आपकी कमाई क्या है? नाउ वी विल ऐड अवर योगी कंटेंट इन दिस. नाउ व्हाट यू डू when we are doing our ankle joint movement, you close your eyes. With the closed eyes you feel the movement of the ankles. Your eyes are closed, you know your eyes are closed, your awareness is only on the joint you are working upon, right? This is going to add the yogi content. Now close your eyes, just move your ankle joints up and down. You are feeling the movement of the ankle joints. Same as previous. Eyes are closed. Okay, now give rotation. Still your awareness is on the ankle joints. Closed eyes. Eyes are closed. Okay, you are done it. You could concentrate on the joints. Okay, now we will add one more content in this. You synchronize your movement with the breath, because breathing, when you breathe in and breathe out and synchronize your movement, then the energy is transferred much better to the joint which we are working upon with the closed eyes. So now we will learn. Only ankle joint we are doing, remaining thing will continue. When breathe in, up, breathe out, out, breathe in, natural breathing. Your eyes are closed, awareness is on the joint, you are doing your movement with the synchronization with the breath. You are breathing in, you are taking your toes towards you. 5 times करेंगे, because बहुत कुछ करना हमको ना. Okay, now we'll give rotation. Again, clockwise rotation. Your eyes are closed. Awareness is on the ankle joints rotation. When you are taking your feet towards you, breathing in, going away, breathe out. Now you do in the opposite direction. बैक पेन से इसका कोई संबंध नहीं. This is no problem. If you can sit on the floor, no problem. Now we'll go for the knee joint, right? Now take your right leg up, keep your hand below this, and just pull your thighs towards your chest, and make it straight without keeping on the ground, if possible. Those who cannot do it, they can keep on the ground, no problem. Pull it up and breathe out. Now breathe out and breathe in. Eyes are closed. When you are breathing out, you are bringing your thighs towards you. When you are breathing in, taking it away. Breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. Otherwise, you cannot do it.
Sir, we feel like that, sir.
You feel
We
like
are just actually pulling in, That time we feel to actually radiation.
actually there are
Yes, sir.
two in these two moments, some people, those who are not used to, they feel the other way.
Naturally we feel inhalation.
Naturally you feel inhalation, but it should be exhalation. You naturally, then you,
That's a trick.
yeah.
Sometimes, sometimes the reverse.
Sometimes reverse also. For these moments, no, reverse is also there.